Hey, it's Sid from Hunter and Chavy Investments. Today's episode, we're working on a key. It's kind of cracked. You can see it here. Bring it close. It's cracked right there. So every time I turn the key, it kind of wants to do this. As you can see there. So we're gonna fix that. And I ordered the parts from Amazon. You can get this from Amazon. So any of these products I get from Amazon, if you click on the link and you order from them, use my affiliate link that helps supports the channel, helps the channel grow. So I do appreciate it. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to this channel. I appreciate it. Help the channel grow and bring you more content for you to help you save money. This is a finance channel, so this will help you either do real estate, helping you find homes that are distressed, and offering some kind of solution to property owners through using my affiliate link, Propstream. So click the link below with Propstream. You get a 7-day free trial, and then they also have a mobile app too. So it's pretty cool stuff. It's a platform where you can find homeowners that are distressed or may need your assistance to either sell the property or have some type of other financing options that you could offer them. And if you want to make a comment below, if you like this type of content, if you want to see more other content on financing, let me know. Either through mortgage lending, and I think I'm redoing my mortgage. I'll go through that with you, see what that looks like. So it's basically helping people that look at this channel. It's more about helping you save money through financing or either through entrepreneurship like real estate wholesaling. All right, let's get to it. This is the key. This is the actual original key. This is 2007 Honda CRV, but this type of key does not have to apply to every just the Honda. So you can use this in other types of vehicles that has a cracked remote starter. So we're going to take a small flathead. This is a number. Let me see what this number is. This is an H1. Basically, it's a small flathead. Everyone can see that. So I'm gonna grab. There's a little slit on the side here that you can just pop the cover off, right there. So I'm gonna put my little flathead, and this is already broken, as you can see. So that should come out pretty easily. Let's get the cover off. And you should face it down so you can see. So normally there's a screw here, but the screw is missing from this piece right here. The screw looks like this one. This is from the Amazon package. So that screw comes out. Once you unscrew that, pop that thing on the side there, and then you peel it back. It leaves you with 2 shells. This is the brain of the whole system here. So you need this piece to replace on the new one, which I have here. So you're gonna take this piece off. It should come right out. Now the battery, there's a battery in here. I've changed this in the past to get the battery out. Same thing. You just pop through here with a flathead, and I don't know what size the battery is, but I'm pretty sure you can just go match it up in any of your local store. So we'll set that aside. So this and this needs to cooperate. So basically, this has to signal to the key, so in order for it to work. So let's do this. So unfortunately, this is the actual OEM product, so this is stuck on here pretty good. But we don't care because we're gonna replace it, because the piece that comes from Amazon has the cover, it has the covers, then it has the little piece for the key that goes to here. So we're gonna actually break this off the old one. And what I have here is needle nose plier and a small flathead. I mean, just a regular plier. So I'm just gonna break it off because I don't care, because it's coming off anyway. And the new one, we're just gonna slide it in like so, like this. Let me see here. We can break this off because we're not gonna care anyway. Needle's not cooperating today. Let's see here. I wonder. This piece can slide into this one. Definitely not that way. I think it's the correct way. Okay, we're in. No persuasion. Let's put the screw in. Here's the Honda symbol. Look at that. Brand new Honda symbol. And they also come with the OEM spec stickers, in case you need it. Now I put the stickers. Anyhow, that's it, folks. So brand new key. Went from this cracked to a brand new one by Honda. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and see you guys in the next episode. Thank you.